In the name of International News Media, once again, Awi Bayari continue on with our interviews with some of the crew members of Azamara on board. And here's another Filipino serving on the ship. And he's Earl. He will talk to you about his experience on the ship. Earl, why didn't you introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm
It's
Earl.
really-
I'm from the Philippines and from Cavite. I work in Azamara 4 years, 4 years from now, and I love my job.
Yeah, why do you love your job?
I love serving different with the different nationalities.
And what
Different
nationalities do you meet here?
people. Sorry?
What different nationalities do you meet?
It's plenty of nationalities
Like?
already. Yeah,
Like what?
British, Americans, Canada.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. And you've been working for how many years now?
4 years already in
4
Azamara.
years.
Yeah.
What was your first destination?
My first destination will Sweden.
Sweden.
Yeah.
Right. And you started from Manila? Going
Yeah,
to
Manila,
Sweden?
Manila going to Sweden.
Yeah. So what particular places, destinations in Europe have you been to?
Japan. My favorite destination is Japan.
Your favorite is Japan,
Japan.
and why?
Yeah, Japan is very nice. Nice country and nice people also.
That's right. That's
Yeah.
right. Now, you have a lot of good food here on this cruise,
Yeah.
right? What's your favorite food?
I like the British food.
Really?
Yeah.
What type
British,
of food?
yeah, that's
Like?
British buffet.
Oh, is
Yeah,
that
it's a
right?
buffet,
It's very
yeah.
good. Yes. Now, do you have a chance to travel and see the countries where you go to?
Yeah,
When you dock, yes.
Sometimes, ma'am. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What do you miss most about
Sorry?
the Philippines? What do you miss most?
Family, of course.
The family,
yeah.
of course. Yes. And what is the main reason why you're working on the cruise ship?
For my money, of course. Yeah,
That's correct.
for the future.
Yes. Tell me about your family.
How about my family?
Your family.
I have a wife and one kid already.
And then how old is he
1
or
year
she?
old.
And she? A
1
girl
year
or
old.
boy?
It's a boy.
And then, so 1 year old, so young.
Yeah.
Are you spending Christmas home?
Yeah, now. I'm going
Very-
home now, 17th
Is that
of December.
right?
Yeah.
But after that, you are going onward. After a couple of months, you'll be
Yes,
back to the ship,
in the
right?
quest, the Samara quest.
Oh, and where's that going?
In the Peru, Lima, Peru.
I see. So how long
Yeah,
do you
I
expect?
have a fan there down here. Yeah,
Oh.
see,
How long do you expect to work?
6 months on board. Yeah.
No, how long do you expect to work here at Azamara? You'll be here for many more years?
Yes, many more years. Of
Uh-huh.
course.
Give a special message to the viewers today.
Hello, everyone. My name is Earl. It's nice having you here.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much, yeah.
Awi Bear saying goodbye for now.
Bye.
Thanks so much for
Bye.
watching. God bless.
God bless.